Hello friends, today I am making very beautiful pattern. I am using this yarn. This is not so thick and not so thin, so medium yarn. I am going to use this, and I am using the hook 3.5 number hook. I am using this, and I am showing how to make the pattern. Let's start. Now I am making chain like this, pulling this one and making the chain. Making the chain is yarn on the hook, pulling inside the chain, yarn on the hook, pulling inside the chain like this. This is the chain. Now I am making 3 extra chain and pricking here in 4th chain and making the double crochet. Once again yarn on and pricking here and making double crochet. So easy making double crochet. Like this. This is the double crochet. We are making the double crochet full row. This double crochet row is finished here. Now making 1 chain and turning this side. Here we are making single crochet. When you are making single crochet, first start from the beginning, don't skip there, and making here single crochet like this, not taking yarn on the hook, only pricking here, bringing the yarn inside and making them one. 2 rings are there now, making them one. This is the single crochet. Make the single crochet full row. Now here finishing this row, making last one single crochet and making here 3 chain and turning this side. Now here yarn on and making here double crochet. 3 double crochet we are making here, including this. Now taking 2 times yarn on and here skipping 1, 2, 3 double crochets and going to 4th one and pricking like this and making here triple crochet. 2 times taking yarn on means triple crochet. Not finishing this triple crochet, holding 2 rings here and taking 2 times yarn on and coming to here 1, 2, 3, going to 4th one and making here triple crochet. Now 1 ring is there, two rings are here, to making them 3 to 1.
3 to 1.
Now here taking yarn on back side, here skipping one chain, here going to second one and making the double crochet, taking yarn on, making the double crochet, here back side, 4 double crochets now, like this, taking yarn on 2 times, here next to here, next to this pattern we're taking and making here triple crochet and leaving these 2 like that and taking yarn on 2 times and coming to here 1 2 3 4 and making triple crochet. Now 3 chains are there, making them 1. Now going to back side, see here, skipping this chain and going to next chain, yarn on, going to back side and making here double crochet, 4 double crochets, 2, this 3 one, this is 4th one. Like this. Once again taking yarn 2 times and coming to this pattern here, going to next double crochet and taking inside and making here triple crochet and leaving these 2 chain here and once again taking 2 times yarn on and here counting here 1 2 3 4th one, we want 4th one, going to there, pricking like this and making triple crochet. Now 3 chains are there, making them 1. Going to back side, here skipping this chain, going to next chain, yarn on and here making double crochet, four double crochets like this. Once again 2 times yarn on, coming to here making triple crochet, leaving this one, 2 times yarn on, 1 2 3 4, coming here and making triple crochet and 3 chains are there, making them 1, going back side, skipping this one and coming to next one and making the double crochet, four double crochets. Now here extra one double crochet is there, like this. Now here making one chain and turning this side, here we are making single crochets. Now here taking the yarn on and coming to this pattern, here we are pricking the hook and taking the yarn and pulling the yarn like this. This like this, making puff. Now making extra another time like this. This is 2 times and now this is third one. Now making all together one and locking here, yarn on, and here we're making 4 double crochet. This is third one, this is fourth one. Once again we are taking yarn on and pricking here like this and making the puff here 2 times. This is third one, taking the yarn and bringing inside and making them all together, all going inside and making the one chain and locking it. Once again we are making double crochet, 4th double crochet, it will pull the yarn like this. This is second one and this one is third one. Now this is very easy, you can do it. This pattern is for baby's blanket, very beautiful. This pattern is for baby's blanket, or you can make it baby's cap, hat or cap, anything, and you can make it shawl also. It's a very elegant pattern. You can make the scarf also, very beautiful pattern this is, and easy. Now making here double crochets and finishing this row. Now making here single chain and turning this side, here also making single crochets. Next row is only single crochet. Now here 2 times yarn on, and here we are coming to this double crochets, counting here 1 2 3, we are going to 4th one, and here making triple crochet and leaving this 2 chain here. Once again making double 2 times yarn on, leaving here 1 chain, going to next double crochet. Now 3 chains are there. Now making them all together one and locking it, going back side, yarn on, skipping this one chain and making here double crochet, four double crochets, let 2 times yarn on, coming to here, this pattern is here, so going to next double crochet, pricking here and making triple crochet and leaving this 2 chain like that, and 2 times yarn on, coming to here, skipping this double crochet and going to next double crochet and make them all together one and locking it like this. This row is finished here. Going to next row and making single chain and turning this side Here making single crochet. This row is only single crochet. Now taking the yarn on and coming here, clicking here and taking the yarn, pull little bit. Third time making all together one and locking it and going here, skipping this chain and coming to here, making double crochet. Like this pattern is moving. Like this pattern is moving forward. So beautiful pattern. You also make this and tell me in the comments, and don't forget to give the thumbs up to my video. Please subscribe my channel for the more videos. Thank you for watching.